Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. We're starting the day off here in Key Largo. We just checked out of our hotel room and now we're gonna get ready to go on the Keys Island Runners event. You ready to trim up or what?
50, what can you expect with a 50 horsepower, 50 miles per hour little boat?
That's 50 horsepower, right?
No, 50, yeah, 50 horsepower and 50 miles an hour. Good.
Nice, man. You guys get traffic on the way here?
No.
No traffic? So wait, you came from Homestead?
Miami.
You guys came from Miami, not Homestead?
Yeah, Miami.
Fuck.
Yeah,
how much gas do you even have left?
No. We dropped off right here.
Oh, that's my question.
No, we ain't ride the boat.
See, that's my question. Yeah, little motion. Alright guys, we're here at the starting line and everybody's gathering up. We still got about an hour until we all start heading towards Isla Morada. But this is one of my favorite times to be out here because everybody just starts doing flybys and everybody just start hanging out. So it's definitely a good vibe. Looks like
Mira, el 25 de septiembre tenemos los beneficios más rápidos, llevo 3 meses conmigo. No lo mismo llamar al diablo que verlo venir.
This guy right here is the fastest open fisherman in South Florida, probably in the world. 110 mile an hour center console, open fisherman. That's fast, man. These are my type of people. Go fast community. I like that. That is dope. Triple 400s? That's done perfectly. An old school formula. It's the Keys Island Runners.
As soon as they saw you, everyone gave this.
Love that thing. Let's go! Woo-hoo! Let's see who's the fastest one! The Avanti that does 110 is the fastest one right now. His motion is going for him. Oh Lord!
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, do the game, win it life, no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win in life, I never miss, that's facts, taking big swings, get your hand to the past, put me in the ring, you go out in a pack, cause I see what I need and I bring it to the land like, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a great deal, I know life's short, so I wanna live real, how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to They wanna say my name, but they hold it back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, bitch, I ain't lazy. Track of the dream, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather leave than be led. I'll leave the seeds as it spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to
Woohoo! Que rico! That's better than any drug in the world.
Right?
Like, that is like amazing. Woohoo! That was amazing, guys. We made it to Isla Mirada in about 15-20 minutes. This thing was moving.
That shit is beautiful. Hey, I saw you come up to me and I'm like, oh shit, wait, it's Alex.
I'm gonna have to charge you for the footage. Alright guys, this is the vibe at Isla Mirada right now. This is how it looks like during winter.